Get it. Get right here. Get right here. Yeah.
You like that thing, huh, buddy?
Hold on, let me put on my windshield wipers. Got my windshield wipers on.
Indy.
He's like trying to look over the thing so he can watch TV.
Yeah, I should pull that because he would probably sit there for quite a while watching beach.
I don't know. Now that he's sitting better.
And I think that would. I wanted that because I think it would help him sit more and more.
Well, see, there he can kind of hold him.
Yeah, he's
so
not supported, but he still has something so he won't flop over.
You are too funny, little man. Oh, you are too funny. Beep, 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 beep. Were you honking to let people know you were backing up? He's trying to full palm it. Smack it with his palm to get it to go. He's like, I'm gonna figure this out. I will.
Probably have to buy a whole bunch of those batteries.
Think so.
Get out
of my way! Get out of my way! Beep, beep, beep,
I had that on the
beep,
list. I didn't realize that they had the
beep.
floor pans for them like that.